Have you ever wondered what drives the demand for industrial real estate in today's market? With e-commerce booming and supply chain modernization at its peak, industrial properties are at the forefront of commercial real estate investments. Welcome to the Commercial Real Estate Insights Podcast. I'm your host, Steve Hamoen. Let's get right to it. In today's episode, we'll dive into the latest developments in the industrial real estate sector, focusing on First Industrial Realty Trust. According to Simply Wall Saint, First Industrial Realty Trust, Inc. reported impressive third-quarter results for 2025, with revenue climbing to $181.43 million United States dollars and net income reaching $65.31 million United States dollars. This remarkable performance has led to an upward revision in their full-year guidance for funds from operations. The company has achieved significant leasing momentum, securing over 772,000 square feet across new development projects. This success is coupled with above-average increases in cash rental rates, highlighting the ongoing strong demand within the industrial sector. The raised full-year outlook and robust leasing activity are important factors influencing First Industrial Realty Trust's investment narrative. For investors, the latest announcements from First Industrial Realty Trust suggest a boost in confidence, driven by strong leasing activity and ongoing rent growth. This is particularly noteworthy in supply-constrained markets, where high occupancy rates reinforce the company's strategic position. However, it's important to note that potential cooling in tenant demand and normalization of rental rates remain short-term risks. Looking at the Canadian perspective, particularly in regions like Kitchener-Waterloo, London, and Cambridge, Ontario, the industrial real estate market is also experiencing a similar trend. With the rise of e-commerce and the need for logistics and distribution centers, these areas are seeing increased demand for industrial spaces. This mirrors the American trend and highlights the cross-border relevance of industrial real estate investments. First Industrial Realty Trust's outlook forecasts $866.2 million United States dollars in revenue and $270 million United States dollars in earnings by 2028, based on an anticipated annual revenue growth rate of 7.3%. However, earnings are expected to decrease slightly by $0.9 million United States dollars from their current level, indicating some challenges ahead. As we explore these developments, it's essential to consider the broader implications for the industrial real estate sector. With continued demand driven by e-commerce and supply chain needs, the outlook remains positive, but investors should remain vigilant for any shifts in market dynamics. Thank you for listening to the Commercial Real Estate Insights Podcast. I'm your host, Steve Hamoen. See you on the next one.